Did you know that over 2 billion people rely on agriculture for their livelihood? That's 26.7% of the world's population. As we face the challenges of climate change and food security, finding sustainable solutions is more crucial than ever. Traditional farming practices have often led to soil depletion, environmental degradation, and a decline in biodiversity. But there's a new wave of hope emerging on the horizon: regenerative agriculture. Regenerative agriculture is about much more than just growing food. It's about restoring the health of our planet, one farm at a time. The term regenerative agriculture refers to a set of farming and grazing methods that focus on restoring depleted soil, increasing biodiversity, and rebuilding soil organic matter. It's like giving the earth a helping hand, allowing it to heal and thrive. At the heart of regenerative agriculture lies the principle of regenerating the soil and ecosystem. Healthy soil is the foundation for a thriving food system. It stores carbon, filters water, and provides essential nutrients for plants and animals. This approach not only leads to healthier soil, but also produces high-quality, nutrient-dense food that's better for you and the planet. Regenerative agriculture offers a multitude of benefits. Let's delve into some of the key advantages. Fighting climate change. By storing carbon in the soil, regenerative agriculture plays a vital role in mitigating climate change. Healthier food. Nutrient-rich food grown in healthy soil provides essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to a healthier population. Increased biodiversity. A thriving ecosystem means a greater variety of plants and animals, creating a more resilient and balanced environment. Water conservation. Healthy soil holds more water, making farms more resilient to droughts and reducing the need for irrigation. Regenerative agriculture also fosters stronger communities. It encourages local food systems, empowers small-scale farmers, and supports rural economies. The world is recognizing the importance of regenerative agriculture. Farmers, governments, and businesses are embracing this transformative approach. New technologies are emerging to help farmers adopt regenerative practices. From soil sensors to satellite imagery, tools are available to monitor soil health and optimize farming practices. Organizations like the Rodale Institute and the Regenerative Agriculture Association are working to promote regenerative agriculture on a global scale. Governments are implementing policies to incentivize regenerative agriculture and support farmers in their transition. From Australia to Brazil, from the United States to Africa, regenerative agriculture is spreading across the globe. Farmers like Niels Olsen in Australia are pioneering regenerative practices, proving that carbon sequestration can be a viable income stream for farmers. Cotton farmers in Brazil are seeing dramatic increases in yields and profits by adopting regenerative techniques. And in Tanzania, farmers are growing diverse crops, ensuring food security and promoting a healthy ecosystem. Regenerative agriculture is not just a trend, it's a necessity. We need to accelerate the adoption of these practices to address the global challenges of climate change, food security, and biodiversity loss. It's time to embrace a holistic and regenerative approach to farming. By working together, we can create a healthier planet and a more just food system for all. Learn more about regenerative agriculture practices. Join the movement and support farmers who are making a difference. Together, let's cultivate a more sustainable future. Regenerative agriculture is a story of hope, resilience, and innovation. It's a testament to the power of nature and the ingenuity of humanity. Let's embrace this transformative approach and build a brighter future for generations to come.